Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk a little bit about why you might be hearing the fan on your microwave continuing to work after you've removed the food and turned it off. So the first thing you need to be aware of is don't panic. This is perfectly normal, okay? It's part of the cooling down mode in your microwave. Our microwaves are all fitted with fans, and you will notice in fact the external vents on a microwave play an important part in that. So it's really important actually when you're thinking about placing your microwave that you do leave adequate room around those vents and your microwave on all sides so that they can work, so that fan can cool down your microwave nice and effectively, not only whilst it's cooking but afterwards as well. If you are concerned about the length of time the fan's working for and you want to help it out, you absolutely can. You can open the door after you've done your cooking. You can leave that open for 5 or 10 minutes. That will also help cool the microwave down quicker. It will also help with condensation buildup as well. So that can often happen if the door is kept closed. So long and short of it is you don't need to worry about the fan running after you've cooked food. In fact, oftentimes you'll probably notice that the fan is running more after you've cooked for a longer time, and that's simply because the longer the microwave is on, the warmer it is, and the longer that fan needs to be working for in order to cool it down. So it's nothing to worry about. It's perfectly normal, but it's really important that you do place your microwave correctly in your kitchen. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.